Hello viewers, this is Dr. Rajalakshmi. In today's session, we are going to see about cloud migrations. What is cloud migrations? It is a process of moving data, applications and other business processes from one environment to another. We have three types of cloud migrations. One is on-premise environment to a cloud-based environment. The second one is cloud-based environment to cloud-based environment, and the third case is cloud environment to an on-premise environment. What is on-premise environment to a cloud-based environment migration? On-premise environment are data centers and servers that are physically located within a company's own premises, while cloud-based environments are servers that are maintained and owned by third-party cloud service providers who make their services available to their customers over the internet. So, the data and applications are transferred from on-premise environment to the cloud-based environments. The following are the advantages: improved scalability, increased accessibility, reduced costs. The following are the disadvantages. It concerns surrounding the security of the organization's data. The loss of data over IT infrastructure and data can be a significant concern for many organizations. The next one is cloud-based environment to cloud-based environment. Data and applications are transferred from one cloud service provider to another. Cost savings, migration can lead to improved performance and reliability, ability to take advantage of new features and services offered by the new service provider are the advantages. The following are the disadvantages. Time and effort required to move all the data and applications to the new cloud environment. There may be compatibility issues between the old and new cloud environments. Many cloud providers have large data transfer fees when moving from one cloud provider to another. The third type is cloud environment to on-premise environment. A cloud to on-premise migration process involves transferring data and applications from a cloud service provider to an in-house data center, typically for reasons such as increased security, control and customization. The following are the advantages. Companies have complete control over their security measures and can tailor them to meet their specific needs. Increased level of control over the IT infrastructure. Following are the disadvantages. Large upfront cost of setting up and maintaining an on-premise infrastructure, and the second one is the ongoing maintenance and management of infrastructure can also be time consuming and expensive. Now let's see about cloud migration process. What is cloud migration? It is a process of moving data, applications and other business elements from an on-premise environment to the cloud. The process contains three phases. The first one is planning phase, second one is implementation phase, and the third phase is the optimization and security phase. Let's see about planning phase. Planning phase sets the foundation for a successful migration into the cloud. The first step is conducting an initial assessment. In this step, the organization will assess its current IT infrastructure and identifies the applications, data and resources that need to be migrated to the cloud. The second step is conducting a cloud readiness assessment. In this step, the organization will assess its readiness for cloud migration, including its technical, financial and organizational readiness. The third step is creating a business case. It will be responsible for outlining the reasons for migrating to the cloud and the benefits. Fourth step is developing a cloud strategy. In this step, outlining the it is an outlined steps it will take to migrate to the cloud, including the timeline, resources and budget required. In the last step, that is selecting a cloud provider, determine which cloud provider can best meet your organization's needs while staying within any budgetary constraints may be facing. The next phase is implementation phase. The implementation phase involves the actual migration of data, applications, and other resources to the cloud. In the data migration step, organizations will migrate its data to the cloud, including its database files and other data sources. In the application migration step, organizations should migrate its applications to the cloud, including its customer relationship management systems, productivity suites, accounting systems, and other critical applications used by the organization on a daily basis. In the infrastructure migration step, organizations will migrate its infrastructure to the cloud, including its servers, storage, and networking components. During the testing, organizations will test the migrated data, applications, and infrastructure to ensure that everything is working as expected, and this will finish up the implementation phase. The next phase is optimization and security phase. Optimization and security phase involves optimizing the migrated cloud environment and ensuring that it is secure from attack. During the performance optimization, organizations should be focused on optimizing the performance of its cloud environment, including the applications, data, and infrastructure. During cost optimization, company is focused on reducing unnecessary expenses and optimizing its usage of cloud resources. Improving the security. Organizations will implement security measures to protect its cloud environment, including firewalls, intrusion detection, and prevention systems and encryption. Now let's see about cloud migration types. There are 8 different types of cloud migrations. They are rehost, replatform, refactor, repurchase, retire, retain, hybrid, and phased. Let's discuss about some of the cloud migration types. Rehost. It involves moving an existing app from an on-premise environment to a new cloud environment without changes to the application's code or architecture. It is the simplest and quickest type of cloud migration. The following are the advantages: quick and simple, minimal downtime, cost effective. Few disadvantages to conducting a rehosting migration. Rehosting provides limited benefits. Rehosting can result in an inflexible infrastructure that is not optimized for the cloud. Second type is replatform. It involves making changes to the architecture of an existing application. Following are the advantages to the replatform migration: improved performance, cost savings, and improved flexibility. Some downsides to using replatforming. Replatforming can be time consuming and requires expertise. Replatforming can be a high cost option for organizations. The next type is refactor. It involves breaking down an existing application into smaller and more manageable components, that is microservices. Several advantages to a refactoring migration. The first one is improved performance, the next is scalability, and the third one is cost savings. Some of the disadvantages of using refactoring. Refactoring can be complex and requires expertise. Refactoring is time consuming. Thank you.